Hi, I am Nadya and I've been working in the IT industry in various management roles. And I think that responsibility makes a team successful. It's important to take your own responsibility and delegate it on other team members.
Hi, I'm Georgi, and I've been working as a software developer for the past 7 years on various projects. Personally, I think that efficient and clear communication goes a long way towards making a team successful. And additionally, I value highly well managed project requirements and clearly defined tasks as they do lead to an overall higher quality implementation and therefore a successful project.
Hey there, I'm Cyben. I've been working for around 10 years in IT industry and I've been in a different teams already. For me, what an IT team needs to have to become successful are having mutual respect, common and aligned goals, open communication, and patience.
My name is He. I've been working in IT industry nearly 3 years. In my opinion, a good listener, problem solving, and well-organized person will contribute to a successful team.
My name is Helena. I have worked over 20 years in various roles on several projects in Finland and other countries. In my experience, there are often communication problems behind failed projects. Communication does not work between project team members, project management and customers, or other stakeholders. Ensuring smooth communication helps project succeed.
For me, the optimal teamwork would require clearly defined tasks and responsibilities. When the task has been given out, it is also necessary to facilitate the communication so that the team could use the knowledge of everyone. But the decision should always stay with the one who's responsible for that task.
Bad communication in project groups causing disorientation and misunderstandings. Avoid the following bad communication habits. Avoid giving stakeholders irrelevant information. Remember to communicate the important topic clearly and more than once. Avoid communicating to everyone the same way by using one or two communication channels, because project group members have usually individual communication needs. Communication does not happen by itself without planning. Unplanned project meetings usually confuse participants and are a waste of time. Avoid spamming messages because it can slow down work.
The success of a team depends on good communication. In short, good communication provides clarity and understanding of the project. It leads to higher productivity and better business results, and could help develop stronger team bonds and relationships in the long run. During Google's Project Aristotle study, Google tried to build the perfect team and studied the productivity of hundreds of teams. While the study was pretty extensive and looked into questions such as how often did teammates socialize, did they have some same hobbies, was it better for all teammates to be outgoing or for all to be shy, it was almost impossible to find patterns. In the end, what it came down to was the group norms, the unwritten rules and team culture that form naturally. One of the interesting key takeaways from the study was that on successful teams, members spoke in roughly the same proportion. Another takeaway was that in successful teams, when communicating, people were able to seemingly know when someone was feeling upset or left out. In the end, having psychological safety in the team created an environment where team members were able to communicate clearly, efficiently, and with empathy, which made teams successful.
Nowadays, many businesses use a online meeting, for example, like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Business Skype. The differences between online meetings and face-to-face meetings are face-to-face meetings can cost a lot because of travel expense, accommodations. Moreover, people attending a virtual meeting are more likely to multitask than those in a face-to-face meeting. And the most important, that the carbon footprint of a face-to-face meeting is larger than that of a virtual meeting because of the added energies and fuel used for transportation, handouts, name tags, food, and waste.
Team agreement. Team agreement is guideline developed by the team and for the team. It describes how the team has to work together to create a clear communication and productive process for aiming the business goal. The purpose is to establish a one-team culture. Example of team agreement for the best communication. Respect. It's okay to disagree. No personal attacks. Attack issues. Contribution. Everyone has an equal voice and valuable contribution. Be transparent. We give feedback, we receive feedback, and we will act on feedback. Meeting. Be on time, end on time, have an agenda. To make commitments as a team. We work as a team to make a commitment. Difficulties. Solve problems within the team. Ask for support, don't hide. We have different backgrounds and opinions. However, we agree that communication is the key to a successful team. Various practices and modern tools help to develop strong interaction as a concrete basement of productive business. The sponsor of this video is our team communication agreement.